Sets in Python. Hi, welcome to this lesson. Set is an unordered collection of unique items in Python. Also, it is defined by values separated by comma inside curly braces. Actually, items in a set are unordered, meaning each time you run the program, you will get a different arrangement for the set that you created. Sets have unique values, so they eliminate duplicates. You can't duplicate element in a set. This is what the set looks like. We have a set of 4 items here, 5, 10, 3 and 20. And all the items surrounded by curly braces, and we separated them using commas. Also, these 4 items are not ordered. And if you try to print this set many times, you will find that each time you run the program, you will get a different arrangement for these items. We have printed this set using the print function, and also using the type function here to know the type of a class for the numbers set. And we got class set. And there is an important point. If you try using the slicing operator or the square brackets to access an item or changing an item from the set, you will get type error, because sets are unordered collection, and the indexing has no meaning in this case. If you try accessing any item using the index number, you will get type error. Set object doesn't support indexing. That's it. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.